Let's face it, the mere mention of tax season can send shivers down your spine. It's often associated with stress, confusion, and a frantic scramble to gather paperwork. The truth is, most of us put off dealing with taxes until the very last minute. But this procrastination often leads to unnecessary anxiety and potentially costly mistakes. Imagine a scenario where you approach tax season with confidence and ease, knowing you're fully prepared. No more sleepless nights worrying about deadlines or potential audits. The key to conquering your tax anxiety lies in shifting your perspective. Think of seasonal tax planning as your secret weapon to staying organized, maximizing deductions, and minimizing your tax burden. By breaking down the process into quarterly tasks, you can transform a daunting chore into a series of manageable to-dos. By dedicating a little time each season to your finances, you'll be amazed at how much smoother tax time becomes. This seasonal guide will take you step by step through each quarter, outlining specific actions you can take to stay on top of your tax game. We'll explore everything from organizing your records and tracking expenses to strategizing deductions and making estimated payments. Get ready to say goodbye to tax time stress and hello to financial peace of mind. Spring. The birds are chirping, flowers are blooming, and the last thing on your mind is probably taxes. But trust me, spring is the perfect time to tackle your finances with a fresh perspective. Just like you'd freshen up your home with a little spring cleaning, give your financial life a similar refresh. By taking some proactive steps now, you'll be thanking yourself come next April. Did you encounter any unexpected surprises during the last tax season? Taking stock of your experience can help you identify areas for improvement moving forward. So let's dive into those spring cleaning tasks. Before you pack away those tax documents for good, take some time to review your 2023 tax return. Start by looking at the big picture: your overall tax liability, your adjusted gross income, and any refunds or payments made. Familiarizing yourself with these key figures will give you a baseline understanding of your current tax situation. Did you take advantage of all eligible deductions and credits? Understanding your previous return can help you identify potential savings for the future. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding your tax return is the first step towards optimizing your tax strategy. Building a system that sticks. Organizing your records. Let's face it, keeping track of receipts, invoices, and other financial documents throughout the year can feel like a chore. But a little organization goes a long way in simplifying your tax preparation process. This spring, commit to establishing a system that works for you and stick to it. There are countless tools and methods available, from simple spreadsheets to sophisticated software programs. If you prefer a hands-on approach, consider creating a physical filing system with labeled folders for different categories. Alternatively, explore digital options like cloud-based storage or dedicated financial apps that allow you to scan and categorize receipts on the go. An organized financial life is a less stressful one. Early bird gets the worm. Planning for the year ahead. Spring isn't just about reflecting on the past. It's also the perfect time to start planning for the future. Think about your financial goals and any major life changes on the horizon. Are you planning to buy a home, start a family, or invest in a new business venture? These events can have significant tax implications. By taking a proactive approach to your tax planning, you can transform a potentially stressful event into a manageable and even empowering process. With a little planning and organization, you can approach tax season with confidence and peace of mind. Summer is here, and with it comes the allure of lazy days, beach vacations, and backyard barbecues. But before you swap your spreadsheets for swimsuits, remember that a little mid-year financial check-in can go a long way. Just like you wouldn't wait until the end of a road trip to check your map, taking a moment to review your finances halfway through the year can help you stay on track. By addressing potential issues early on, you can avoid scrambling to gather documents and make last-minute decisions when the weather turns cold. Trust me, your future self will thank you come next April. The mid-year check-in, taking stock of your progress. Now that you're in a financial frame of mind, let's dive into the heart of your mid-year check-in, reviewing your income, expenses, and overall tax picture. Start by gathering your most recent pay stubs, bank statements, and any other relevant financial documents. Begin by comparing your actual income and expenses to the projections you made at the beginning of the year. Have there been any significant changes in your life that might affect your tax liability, such as getting married, having a child, or starting a new job? By taking a proactive approach, you can make informed decisions and avoid any unwelcome surprises come tax time. The art of adjustment, fine-tuning your estimated taxes. One of the most crucial aspects of mid-year tax planning, especially for freelancers, independent contractors, and small business owners, is reviewing and adjusting your estimated tax payments. If you've experienced a significant increase or decrease in income since the beginning of the year, it's essential to adjust your estimated tax payments accordingly. Failing to do so could result in underpayment penalties when you file your return. The IRS website offers helpful resources and calculators to help you estimate your tax liability and adjust your payments. By fine-tuning your payments throughout the year, you can approach tax season with confidence. Planning for the unexpected. Life's little and big surprises. Life is full of surprises, both big and small, and these unexpected events can often have tax implications. For example, if you're planning a major purchase, such as a home or a car, it's essential to consider the potential tax deductions or credits you might be eligible for. Similarly, if you're expecting a significant life change, such as getting married or having a baby, understanding the tax implications can help you make informed financial decisions. Whether it's a medical emergency, a car repair, or a job loss, having an emergency fund can provide a financial safety net. By planning for the unexpected and understanding the potential tax implications of major life events, you can navigate whatever challenges come your way with greater confidence. As the leaves begin to turn and a crispness fills the air, it's a sure sign that fall has arrived. While many of us are busy planning pumpkin spice lattes and cozy sweaters, it's also the perfect time to shift our focus towards year-end tax planning. By taking proactive steps now, you can potentially reduce your tax liability and avoid any last-minute surprises. Think of year-end tax planning as a strategic game plan. It's about making informed decisions regarding your finances before the year comes to a close. A little planning now can go a long way in maximizing your tax savings and minimizing your tax burden next spring. One of the most exciting aspects of year-end tax planning is the opportunity to maximize your deductions. Deductions are like little gifts from the IRS, allowing you to reduce your taxable income and potentially lower your overall tax bill. Are you self-employed or a small business owner? If so, you might be eligible for deductions related to home office expenses, business travel, or health insurance premiums. Did you make charitable contributions throughout the year? Donating to qualified charities not only benefits worthy causes, but can also lead to valuable tax deductions. Exploring potential deductions might seem daunting, but there are plenty of resources available to help you navigate the process. Remember, every little bit counts when it comes to maximizing your tax savings. As we approach the final quarter of the year, it's crucial to revisit your estimated tax payments. Gather your most recent pay stubs, bank statements, and any other relevant financial documents to get a clear understanding of your year-to-date income and expenses. Compare this information to the estimated tax payments you've already made. If you've experienced any significant changes in income or expenses since your last adjustment, it's essential to update your estimated tax payments accordingly. The IRS website offers helpful resources and calculators to assist you in estimating your tax liability and making any necessary adjustments to your payments. The goal is to strike a balance, paying enough to avoid penalties while not overpaying and missing out on potential investment opportunities. Gifting season. Spreading cheer with tax-smart strategies. Fall often marks the beginning of the gifting season, with holidays like Thanksgiving and Christmas just around the corner. If you're planning to make charitable donations, consider bunching your contributions into a single tax year. This strategy can potentially maximize your itemized deductions, especially if your donations exceed the standard deduction threshold. Another tax-savvy gifting strategy is to make gifts of appreciated assets, such as stocks or mutual funds, directly to charities. By incorporating tax-smart strategies into your giving, you can maximize your impact and potentially reduce your tax burden, allowing you to give even more generously. Winter's arrival. Time to gather and organize. As the first snowflakes fall, resist the urge to push taxes aside. Winter is the final stretch in our tax preparation marathon. Think of this season as the pre-game before the big game. Gather your financial equipment and review your game plan. Use your organizational system. Put it to good use. Gather all those meticulously labeled folders. Download those handy expense tracking apps. Create a designated space for all things tax-related. Avoid the stress of last-minute filing. Grab a cup of hot cocoa and tackle those final steps together. Section 2. The paper chase, rounding up essential tax documents. One of the most important aspects of winter tax preparation is gathering all the necessary documents. This might seem like a daunting task, but with a little organization and a keen eye for detail, you can conquer this paper chase with ease. Start by creating a checklist of essential documents based on your individual circumstances. Common items include W-2 forms from employers, 1099s for independent contractor income, and 1098s for mortgage interest payments. If you're self-employed or own a small business, gather documentation for all income and expenses, including invoices, receipts, bank statements, and credit card statements. Remember, proper documentation is crucial for supporting your deductions and avoiding potential issues with the IRS. As you collect each document, double-check for accuracy and completeness. Ensure that names, addresses, and social security numbers are correct and that all forms are signed and dated. By being thorough now, you can prevent delays and headaches later on. Section 3. Dotting the I's and crossing the T's. Ensuring accuracy and completeness. With your tax documents neatly assembled, it's time to review them with a fine-tooth comb. Accuracy is paramount when it comes to filing your taxes, as even minor errors can lead to delays, penalties, or missed deductions. Carefully examine each document, double-checking all figures and calculations. Pay close attention to dates, especially for income received or expenses incurred close to the year-end. If you're using tax software, take advantage of the built-in error-checking features. These handy tools can help identify potential inconsistencies or missing information, saving you time and potential headaches down the road. Remember, it's always better to err on the side of caution and seek clarification if you're unsure about anything. The IRS website offers a wealth of information, and you can also consult with a qualified tax professional for personalized guidance. Section 4. The early bird catches the refund. Benefits of filing. Early filing offers peace of mind, avoids last-minute stress, and ensures a quicker refund. Plus, it gives you more time to address any issues and protects against identity theft. Embrace your inner early bird for a stress-free tax season. Section 1. Embrace the seasons of tax success. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our journey through the seasons of tax preparation. By now, you're equipped with the knowledge and tools to transform your approach to taxes, replacing dread with confidence and overwhelm with organization. Remember, tax preparation isn't a race to the finish line. It's a year-round endeavor that, when approached strategically, can actually empower you to make smarter financial decisions and achieve your financial goals. By embracing the seasons of tax success, reflecting and organizing in the spring, planning and adjusting in the summer, strategizing and maximizing in the fall, and finalizing and filing in the winter, you can stay ahead of the game, minimize your tax burden, and enjoy peace of mind throughout the year. So, as you navigate the seasons of life, remember that a little tax planning goes a long way. By making it a year-round habit, you can unlock a world of financial freedom and focus on what truly matters most, living your best life, one season at a time.